Welcome back. This is still Issues with Dr. Stan. I want to briefly talk about your sexual attitude. How is your sexual attitude? Do you know that your sexual attitude can bring about sexlessness in your marriage? Your sexual attitude can kill the urge for sex for your partner towards you. You say you are a man. You come back home, you squeeze your face. You don't even care who is around. You are looking for one thing or the other to complain about. And you want the woman in the house to be happy. Meanwhile, this woman has been waiting for you to come back home. She has been waiting for her lovely husband to come back home, to embrace you, to give you some sexual kind of welcome. Kiss you, peg you, hug you, take you to your room. And maybe from there, everything can begin to happen. Only for her to discover that as soon as you come back, your face is squeezed as if you were fighting with the devil himself. You are quarreling with everything in the house. And you want her to kill herself for you. You think that you don't know that is enough to kill her sexual feelings for you. Are we to talk about the female? Your husband will come back home, having worked hard all through the day, fighting for the whole family, trying to make ends meet. He comes back home. You are sitting in the sitting room, pressing your phone. If your husband is back, you don't even want to know. Even when you greeted, you will be like, "Good evening, sir," and that will end the thing. You are not even making any effort. In most cases, you are tying wrapper, going around the whole flat like old grandma that is in the village. You are tying wrapper that it will even be hard for him to differentiate you between you and her mother. All you know is to wear nonsense clothes, walk in front of your husband. Meanwhile, while you are going out, you dress like a reasonable person to entice others, to please others. In the house, you wear almost rag. You are always on wrapper. Either you tie it at the back of your neck or you tie it by the side of your armpits. Irritating, looking irritated every time. And you want the man to die for you, and you think you cannot kill his sexual urge. Your interest is only to press phone. You press phone from morning till night. Even on the bed, you are still pressing phone. No time. You don't have any time to give to your husband. Nothing. You cannot compliment each other. You cannot appreciate each other. How do you expect your sexual relationship to grow when you behave that way? What I'm here to tell you in brief is that your sexual attitude matters. It can make or made you as far as sexlessness in marriage is concerned. And because of that, in my next episode, I will be discussing the causes of sexlessness in marriage. However, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. Of course, we would like to hear your opinion. Please tell us your opinion on this. We would like to know. God bless you.